Hello, here we are at the end of the second round. I'm just finishing here, and you can see that doing the second round really gives it shape to the doily. It really evenly spaces all the big rings now that they're attached together. So I'm just going to complete the very last chain. So I've made 1, 2, 3 sets, so I need to do 2 more. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're joining on the other side of the last large ring and making the last join between the last ring and the first ring of the round. So 1 double stitch, 1 picot, 1 double stitch, and we're joining back to the same picot that we started in. And we're ready to start the third round. In the pattern it says carry the threads over, and because it is such a short distance, we're just going from this join back to the picot, which is really not going to be visible at all. So I'm just going to push my shuttle through here and pull a loop from the ball thread and pass my shuttle through it. Like this. And now we're starting from the picot. And this next ring is all chains. They're regular chains this time, and you want to make 3 double stitches. 2, 3, and 9 picots separated by 2 stitches. 1, 2, fix my picot a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 2 more stitches so that there are 3 stitches after the last picot, like this. And then we join at the picot in between where we did the 1 stitch, 1 picot, 1 stitch. We just join there in between the scallops. Like this. So that's all there is to this ring. 3 stitches and 9 picots separated by 2 stitches, and then 3 stitches after the picots, and join to the next gap between the scallops. I'll see you at the end of the round. Bye bye.